Hi, my name is Matt McShane, and I'd like to thank the Hopkins Centre for allowing me to present my project. My project is called the Design Cafe. The Design Cafe promotes co-design solutions to assist with everyday tasks and challenges, with a big focus on enhancing and innovating assistive technology through lived experiences, bridging the gap between good enough to truly fit for purpose. Assistive technology often focuses on big, high-tech solutions, but it's the overlooked everyday challenges that can make the biggest difference. The Design Cafe addresses these small but significant barriers through shining a spotlight on these types of challenges and providing an environment that promotes collaboration for co-designed low-tech solutions. We used a multiple case study approach within a participatory co-design framework. Each case was built around one participant's challenge, with workshops structured to move from problem identification to prototype. Our 4 workshops drove group discussion and input from a wide variety of perspectives, giving each design a rich and meaningful input. In the first workshop, we introduced the co-design process to the whole group, discussed what the phrase meant to them individually, and spoke about our approach to this project. We then split into small groups and identified the everyday challenges participants found most. Using the Canadian Occupational Performance Measure, we captured what mattered most to our participants and began generating early ideas for AT solutions. In the second workshop, we presented our initial concepts, mainly through sketches and low-fidelity prototypes and group discussions. Participants provided valuable feedback, which played a huge role in shaping the next round of design development and the designs as a whole. By workshop 3, participants could physically test their prototypes, provide even more feedback, likes, dislikes, and any suggestions for changes that might guide further refinement. By this time in the process, we were making small but significant changes and improvements to the solutions. The final workshop focused on handing over the prototypes, training participants in their use, and reflecting on their time and roles within the co-design process. One example of our participant, Mitch. Mitch wanted to independently game using a few bespoke attachments for his Xbox controller. He had a couple different ideas for outcomes based on how he would use the controller. He wanted options for using it with his chin and with his hand. Another example was from our participant Clint. Clint wanted to regain independence playing the guitar again, with good posture and no leg pain. His main challenge was resting the guitar directly on his leg would cause pain and spasms. Since this project, Clint has been back on the touring market and performing at his local pub. We are still going through the evaluation stage at the moment, but we are really excited to learn about what the co-design process means to all parties involved and how it varies from designers to participants to clinicians. We're looking forward to gathering all the information we've learned from this project and putting together a bit of a template of our learnings and how we conduct our co-design workshops. A few of the challenges we did find were some designs require a lot more work than others, and finding the right combination of experiences and expertise, as well as managing time and expectations of the participants. Some of the strengths we really enjoyed were meaningful challenges, created a really good group enthusiasm and collaboration, and working on these small challenges that often get missed create large, big outcomes for the individuals. I'd like to thank our amazing team, Camilla, Louise, Vince, Lockie, Emily, Melissa, and everyone at Spinal Life Australia. I'd like to thank NISCU and the Hopkins Centre for this opportunity to conduct this research. It's been amazing. Thank you.